doing?
That's sweet.
Feeding the baby.
Louisa,
I think he needs to burp.
you burp the baby? Louisa, can you burp the baby? No, the baby.
Not you, the baby.
Burp the baby. You have gas? Did the baby have gas? That's some bad gas.
Burping and gas?
Wow.
Oh, better get her signed
now
up for
he's hungry.
cotillion.
Now he's hungry. Can you feed the baby? You want to take the baby for a ride in the car? Louisa?